Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will attempt to repair this speaker which I got from my neighbor. He probably broke the charging connector of it and it has some minor problems. So let's open it up and see what's the issue with it. So I opened it up and I can see the battery connection is broken. At some point, my neighbor tried to replace the battery with a cell phone battery. So let's unsolder the battery first. Put it aside and take the circuit board out. Oh, need to remove the speaker as well. Okay, now we can remove the circuit board. One more screw. Okay, now we have the circuit board out. Nothing on this side. Okay, move a little bit closer. Okay, you can see the charging connector is totally broken. Okay, we have to replace the charging connector. So let's replace the charging connector. I have done all the soldering. Let's connect the batteries to the circuit. Let's test the battery is charging or not. Let's test the battery voltage. Yeah, it's getting power from the charger. So let's give it some time to charge. Now I have reconnected the circuit board to the chassis and let's put it together. So it seems like it's charging, so give it some time to charge and we will come back after some time. Guys, 20 minutes has passed. Let's remove it from charging and see it's fixed or not. Okay, I will connect this audio jack to my phone from which I am currently shooting this video. Okay, now it's connected. Let's turn it on. It's turned on and I will play a music to this. Okay, you can see it's working. Okay, you can see it's a successful repair. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment down below. See you in the next video.